DPS Jagdalpur under the theme Cooking Without Fire. Today I am going to make bread chaat. So let us know about the ingredients. Bread cut into pieces, bhujia sev, chopped cucumber, chopped coriander, curd mixed with sugar, black pepper, salt, red chili powder, chaat masala. So let us start making the bread chaat.